Bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Espero que se encuentren muy bien. Hoy tendremos una lección en la que estaremos aprendiendo inglés y mejorando tu listening con una pequeña historia.
The Eagle and the Adventurous Cricket. Atop a steep mountain, where the air is thin and the sky seems to merge with the earth, the eagle rested, with its piercing gaze and outstretched wings. For her, the heights were home, and from there she saw a boundless world. A subtle but constant sound broke her contemplation. Below, on a rock, a cricket sang fervently, its small body vibrating with each note. Despite its diminutive size, its song resonated with astonishing force. "What brings you to these heights, little cricket?" asked the eagle, gracefully descending to the rock. The cricket, without losing its enthusiasm, replied, "I travel the world, eagle, discovering adventures in every corner. Whether facing an army of ants, dancing under a sky of fireflies, or exploring hidden caves, each day is a new odyssey." The eagle, accustomed to the grandeur of the sky, felt a twinge of envy. "I wish to know that world you describe, where every detail is an adventure," she confessed. The cricket smiled and suggested, "How about we exchange experiences for a day? You show me the sky, and I'll show you the wonders of the ground." The next morning, the eagle descended to the ground. Following the cricket, she discovered a hidden world, secret tunnels, tiny creatures with stories of their own, and landscapes that, although she had seen from the air, she had never experienced up close. She felt the texture of the ground, listened to the whispers of the insects, and immersed herself in the magic of details. Meanwhile, the cricket, firmly attached to the eagle's feathers, flew through the skies. He looked in awe at the landscape stretching beneath him, feeling the breeze caress him and the sun warm him from above. As evening fell, they met again on the mountain. Their eyes sparkled with the excitement of their respective adventures. "While flying high is wonderful, I've learned to appreciate how magnificent the ground is," the eagle admitted. "And I've discovered that the sky is a vast tapestry full of mysteries and beauty," added the cricket. Both understood that, although their worlds seemed opposite, each had its own richness and value. The heights and the ground, the vast and the intimate, all had their place in the fabric of life. Moral: one doesn't need to fly high or be large to live great adventures. The wonder lies in how we choose to experience and value the world around us.
A continuación, vamos con el vocabulario.
Steep,
Escarpada,
mountain,
montaña,
air,
aire,
sky,
cielo,
eagle,
águila,
rested,
descansaba,
piercing gaze,
mirada penetrante,
wings,
alas,
heights,
alturas,
world,
mundo,
sound,
sonido,
rock,
roca,
cricket,
grillo,
sang,
cantaba,
vibrating,
vibraba,
adventures,
aventuras,
army,
ejército,
ants,
hormigas,
fireflies,
luciérnagas,
caves,
cuevas,
odyssey,
odisea,
grandeur,
grandeza,
ground,
suelo,
tunnels,
túneles,
creatures,
criaturas,
whispers,
susurros,
insects,
insectos,
fabric,
tejido,
life,
vida. Eso es todo por el video de hoy. Apreciaría mucho tus sugerencias para que las próximas lecciones sean más útiles para ti. Repite la lección para reforzar tus conocimientos y que puedas notar la diferencia con lo que has aprendido. Me ayudaría mucho si pudieras regalarme un like y suscribirte al canal. Hasta la próxima.